Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word chinked. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The sunlight chinked through the cracked blinds, casting stripes of light across the room. Chinked in this sentence means that the sunlight is shining through or peeking through a small opening or crack, creating a pattern of light and shadow. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.